Today we're making one of the most beloved Chinese New Year dessert, the big red bean rice cake, known as Hon Do Nan Gou. Let's begin by preheating the oven. In a large bowl, add 2 eggs and sugar. Use a hand mixer to whisk together for about 2 minutes until they're beautifully blended into a smooth mixture. Next, gently add the oil in half and half. At this point, blend everything by hand, which will help avoid any messy splatters. Now it's time to introduce the glutinous rice flour and baking powder. Fold them into the mixture, stirring for 2 to 3 minutes to get a silky smooth batter without any lump. Once our batter is ready, pour it into a baking container lined with parchment paper. For a final touch, sprinkle a handful of black sesame seeds on top. Then, using a small ice cream scoop, dot the surface with red bean paste, spacing each one about 1 inch apart. Place the container into the oven and bake for 50 minutes. When the timer goes off, allow the cake to cool for at least 10 minutes. Then, transfer it to a cutting board and then rest for another 10 minutes. Now it's time to slice up the cake, which is super chewy and bouncy. Voila! Our red bean rice cake is ready to enjoy.